Do you want to see some magic? Grab your paintbrushes. Let's mix it up. Here we go. I have a bucket of red. It is bright like a strawberry. I have a bucket of yellow. It is shiny like a bumblebee. What happens if we mix them? Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Swish, swish, swish. What color do we see? Red and yellow make orange. Orange like a pumpkin, orange like a fruit. Mixing colors is magic, and it is super cute. Splash, splash, color mash. It is a rainbow party. I have a bucket of blue. It is deep like the ocean. I have a bucket of yellow. Put it in the potion. What happens if we mix them? Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Swish, swish, swish. What color do we see? Blue and yellow make team. Green like the grass, green like a frog, green like the moss on a big old log. Splash, splash, color mash. It is a rainbow party. One more mix. Are you ready? Take the red. Take the blue. Pour them in the middle. What will they do? Mix, mix, mix. Blue. Boom! Red and blue make purple. Purple like grapes, purple like a flower. We learned our colors. We have the power. Red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple too. Look at our beautiful painting. Great job! Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe.